Hey everybody, today I have another EV charging adapter review for you. This is the LIACELEE Tesla or NACS to J1772 charging adapter I'll be using with my Tesla EV charger to charge my Kia EV6. First we'll get it unboxed and get an up close look at the device itself, then we'll test it out and see how it does. So looking at the outside of the box here, there is information about the adapter. It's got a wide operating temperature range and is rated for up to 80 amps, which is well above the charge rate for most EVs, so that's good. The enclosure itself also has an IP54 rating, so it's okay to use outside. And its service life is rated for 10,000 uses, which essentially means this is going to outlast your car. And this is the silver adapter, and it lists the compatible Tesla chargers here. I'll be using it with my Tesla mobile connector. It comes with a storage pouch, which is nice. Then we have the adapter itself here, which is very compact. I'm a big fan of the mini style adapters. You can easily store them in the glove box or frunk of the vehicle. The locking mechanism on the Tesla side seems to work fine. And the J1772 latch works fine as well. The pins and connectors look good. The side has some details about the adapter. And it looks good. Then we have the manual here. This has more information about the device, how to use it, various warnings, etc. But yeah, it looks good. Now let's go test it out. So we'll plug in the Tesla side first, and that's a good fit and it locks in tight, which is good. You don't want any accidental disconnect when you're charging. Plugging into the car, that fits in good, and it looks good. Now let's check the charging. And we are going strong at 7.5 kilowatts, which is what I'd expect from my 32 amp Tesla mobile connector. So this seems to work well. And it's a pretty good price too. On Amazon it lists for $90, which already isn't bad for a mini Tesla to J1772 adapter, but they currently have a 40% off coupon available, which when you check out, that saves you an additional $36, bringing it to just $54. So it's a pretty great deal. While these aren't complex by any means, it looks good, it fits the Tesla and J1772 sides well, and it locks as it should, and it feels like it's well made. So this definitely seems like another solid option for non-Tesla EVs to be able to charge at Tesla chargers you might find at hotels, shopping centers, parking garages, that sort of thing. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions on this. If you like the video, please hit that like button, it really helps me out, and be sure to subscribe too for more videos. I have a lot coming. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.